If you're planning a trip to Kalahari and Sandusky, Ohio, and are wondering if the King Living Room Kitchen Suite is worth booking, you're in the right place. And while I have another video giving the full tour of the water park and everything there is to do for kids, this video is all about the room itself. So if you're thinking about booking this room for your next Kalahari vacation, then stay tuned. Check-in at Kalahari was surprisingly quick and easy for having a line. They have self-service kiosks along with staff, which really helped to keep the line moving. We used the kiosks and the whole process only took a few minutes, so we were able to get to our room and start enjoying the resort much faster. If you haven't been to Kalahari, the whole water park has an African-inspired theme. It feels like you're at Disney's Animal Kingdom without traveling too far and having way more water slides. So now onto the room. We stayed in the suite 6627. This room was a king suite with a kitchen and a living room and a balcony view. First, when you walk in, this is the bathroom.
First you walk in, is there a bathroom? Can I show them like the shower?
Show them everything.
Here's the shower.
Whoa, this is a whirlpool bathtub.
How?
This has jets in it. Jetted bathtub. Ooh.
Did I say it?
All right, and then this is the little bathroom station. All our stuff is right here. And then
Here is the kitchen. Here's our sink.
there's a full refrigerator, a full stove, microwave, toaster, knife set, soap, coffee pot, paper towel. There's utensils. Here, let's see. Oh, silverware. I brought that. We didn't have to bring that. All right. Anything in here? Oh, pots and pans. Wow.
It's like ours right now.
Yes. Bowls and plates.
Here's
Yay.
our refrigerator.
All
No,
right.
here's our refrigerator.
Wait, if it's stocked with food. What? It comes with Bud Light, milk.
Yuck.
All right. So this is the kitchen table.
Here's our grill.
Come on, Kenny, look.
We have a picture of Ellen for you here. You sit down. Here's a mirror.
Oh yeah, that's super
Here's
nice.
some lights. There's a chair. Right here.
Nice fireplace.
And then right there is a chair. There.
Let's check out. Wow, we have a balcony with the table. Whoa, you guys, look at this. This is awesome.
Look at the camel.
Where?
There's a camel and goats.
Camel and goat. I was right. There is animals.
Oh, there's putt-putt.
Yeah, Papa. Is that what you see that?
Yeah, or mini golf, I guess it's called.
Lots of golf.
Holy cow, this is awesome.
Oh, there's air blowing up on us. That has it. We feel like there's air blowing up.
Someone's at the door. Let's see who it is. It's okay, don't be scared. Maybe it's our room service. Who is it?
Welcome to our mansion. Is your room like this?
We
had this room before. Yes.
I didn't expect it to be this big. I thought like a little kitchen nook, and I'm like, is this the right room? And then last, there is a separate room with a king bed in here. And my family that just came in is not staying with us. They're in a different room. But this room has a TV as well, and then a view of the water park.
That was cute.
It was. What's up, dude? Have you been swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah. That was so cute.
This is a couch, but it's actually a bed.
Wow.
It's a couch bed. It's a couch bed. Yeah, a couch bed too.
So the next morning, my little one woke up before everyone, and it was nice because we could go out in the main area without interrupting my other daughter and husband sleeping in the king room. Obviously, this would be different if you had older people sleeping out here. She was still in the pack and play, and then my older daughter slept with us in the king bed, and there was plenty of space. I would have brought way more food if I realized how big this was. Brewing some coffee, eating some peanut butter toast, oatmeal for the girls. Pizza yesterday. It was about like 38 bucks for breadsticks and 2 pizzas. It's really nice because my daughter's a light sleeper, and so I'm able to be out here with the little one, and she's still in the room sleeping. She actually did want to sleep out here, but she wanted me to sleep with her, and I was like, no, I am not sleeping on that if I got a king bed in there. And it's not very comfortable. It's fine for kids, but I don't know. I wouldn't probably do more than one night on it. But yeah, so she's sleeping and she can't hear us, I guess, because she would be up. The girls took a bath after the water park.
Bye, guys.
One thing that kind of drove me crazy, so that right there is our window for the bedroom, and this light was on all night, and so was everybody else's, so I don't feel like we could turn it off. I tried to, but it just seeped right into the crack of the blinds. If it weren't for that, it would have been really dark in there. It was actually darker out here when I woke up. So this is how dark the living room gets. Who needs Animal Kingdom when you have some sheep and goats? Indoor water park opens at 10 and outdoor water park opens at 10:30. Oh, they're going crazy over there. What is your favorite part about this view?
Well, the sheep, of course.
The sheep's of course.
My favorite animal is a sheep. This is my pet, Bob. I sleep with them every night. Those are the sheep.
Since before you were 1 year old. Yep, and those are the sheep. We couldn't have got a better view. How's your breakfast?
Good.
We are off. Checkout is at 11. And we're gonna go down to the pool. We can stay here today until 3 o'clock. So if you're staying for a few days, or if you just want clean laundry when you get home, they do have this guest laundry here, which is really nice. So we are going to be staying here until 3 o'clock, enjoying the water park for the day, and then driving back home to Michigan. Hopefully this video helped you get a feel of what it's like staying in the King Living Room Kitchen Suite. I have so many water park videos along Michigan and Ohio, so if you're curious, Kalahari is my favorite for kids if it's summertime. So if you want to see the tour of that, please like and follow, and I will see you guys on the next getaway.